Hi, welcome to Basic English 2, week number 4. This week we will be going over chapter 9 in the textbook, How Was It? How Was It is about talking about your experiences, giving your opinion. The weather was nice, the food was delicious, it was too cold, things like that. Because when you do things, people will ask how they were. If you go to see a movie and a friend of yours wants to see that movie, they may ask you, how was it? It was good, it was exciting, it stunk, it was bad. These are all important things to be able to say in English. So let's do our best and see how much we can learn and how much we can talk about how it was. Okay, thank you very much, and let's have a great week. Bye.